Ever wish you could control time, at least when watching YouTube TV? Well, good news, you actually can adjust the playback speed. This guide walks you through, step by step, how to change the playback speed on YouTube TV so you can zip through the boring bits or savor every moment of your favorite shows. First, grab your remote and navigate to the YouTube TV app on your television. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you are on the home screen, select the program you want to watch. It can be a live show, a recorded show, or a movie available on demand. While the video is playing, press the down arrow on your remote. This will bring up the video controls overlay at the bottom of the screen. Look for the 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. It's usually located on the right side of the video controls overlay. Highlight it using your remote's directional buttons and press the Select button. A menu will pop up. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Playback Speed. Select it. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of different playback speeds. You can choose to slow things down with options like 0.25x, 0.5x, or 0.75x, or speed things up with 1.25x, 1.5x, or even 2x. Normal is the default speed. Select the playback speed that you want to use. Once you select it, the video will automatically resume playing at the new speed. You should see a brief indicator on the screen to confirm the new speed. You can repeat these steps at any time to change the playback speed again. Experiment with different speeds to find what works best for you. It's great for reviewing quickly or catching every detail. And that's it. You're now in control of the flow of time on YouTube TV. Enjoy watching your favorite content at your pace.